How to use Topdon ArtiDiag600S. First, charge and turn on the scanner. Charge the ArtiDiag600S if needed. Hold the power button for a few seconds to turn it on. And then complete the initial setup, language, Wi-Fi, and account registration if prompted. Step 2. Connect your vehicle. Turn the vehicle's ignition to on. The engine can be off unless instructed otherwise. Plug the scanner's OBD2 cable into your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard near the steering wheel. The scanner will automatically detect the connection. Step 3. Scan your vehicle. Tap Diagnosis and then choose the Auto VIN for automatic vehicle detection, or manually select your vehicle if needed. Wait while the scanner reads your vehicle information and scans the available scans. Step 4. Read and clear fault codes. Select a system, either engine, ABS, SRS, transmission. Tap Read Codes to view any diagnostic trouble codes. Then after repairs are completed, tap Clear Codes to erase the stored faults. Step 5. View live data. Open live data. Select the data you want to monitor, such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, battery voltage, or fuel trims, and watch the values update in real time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.